So, conclusion, I asked you to have a think about that. So as the mass increases, so as you increase this, what happens to the force required to lift the mass? Yeah, or it just increases, but becomes greater is fine too. Yeah, so as you increase your independent variable, the dependent variable increased in that one. Okay? So we're going to do another experiment now, based on two variables as well. So I'll just leave that out for a second. But you'll notice on your desks, you have got some plastic containers. Okay. Not somebody else. Okay. So, next one is water containers. Now, you don't need to collect it, so you're quite lucky. I've given you 4 different water containers that are on your desk, and they're all different sizes and shapes. Okay? It says 5 in the experiment, but we're only going to use 4. So what you're going to do is you're going to pick the smallest one, this one, and you're going to fill it up to the 100 sort of line. Okay? So that's your 100 centimetre beaker. Fill it up to that. And then what you're going to do is measure the diameter, which is the width, and the depth of water in it. So, I have provided a ruler, but you can use your own if you want to. So remember, the diameter is how many centimetres is across the middle of it. Okay? Don't worry about including the spout, so just go for the middle there. So I've got it about 6.5 centimetres. And the depth of the water, you need to use a ruler, don't use a scale, use a ruler and measure how deep the water is. Okay? You're going to write that down under container 1. Okay, so you can see on the next page. Container 1 is your smallest beaker. So we'll put that aside just to remind you. Okay. Then you pour it into another container. So it might be the next size up beaker. And do the same again. So you measure the diameter and the depth of water using a ruler. Don't use a scale, use a ruler. Then you pour it into the next one. Same again. Diameter, depth of water. And then pour it into your final one. So again, diameter, depth of water. So don't use the scales on these. You're just going to be using your ruler to water those. Okay? So you can do it any order you want. You don't need to do it in side order. You can do it whatever order you want. But you're starting with this one. Okay. So water is at the side. Don't worry if it's a funny colour. Just don't drink it. It's just the fact that it comes from a tank. Sometimes it's a bit weird colour. You do that. Fill that up to so 100. Measure the diameter and the depth. Pour it into your next one. Okay. Great. Straightforward. If you know any questions, okay, off you go. Start with your smallest one and then pour that water into other ones. We've got name the variables. So I've done that one for you. We've got diameter of your vessel and depth of water. So the independent variable is the thing that you chose. So you think that you sort of had control over this time round. Yeah, so the diameter of the glass, yeah, because you chose the glass or the beaker. So your independent variable was your diameter. So the dependent variable, the thing that varied because you changed it, was therefore the depth of water. So hopefully what you found was that as the diameter of the container increased, the depth of the water got smaller and smaller. Did you find that? So the depth of the water decreased. Okay. So your homework, I'll put this on Firefly, is to have a go at the next page. It's not an experiment. All the information is given to you. So knowing what you learned today, I want you to have a go at page 14. I'll put it on Firefly. Okay? And you can pack away.